welcome to my channel. We are popping.
No, we are taking a video. Okay.
Si lazima tusimame straight line.
No, si lazima.
Hebu songeni video hizo ni ngozi kaka.
Ungefanya like a cut off kadini.
Ustoe
kwa YouTube.
Ndio. Sawa tu drama tunakupea content. Jaipata. Angekaa chini introduce this vlog of yours. And kuja huku. Hata sina vlog. Nikasema hey guys, come you fry.
Hata Kaila, hata Laila najua. Hey guys,
Welcome to our channel.
hey guys, welcome back.
Tusaidie kuintroduce.
zionekane zile nguo.
Tusaidie kuintroduce.
Okay.
The one over the baby shower.
So umesema unasema
See, how do you normally introduce your vlog?
No, I don't want to do
We
the
help you.
introduction part.
Yes. So hi guys.
This is my channel.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe. Oh, subscribe button. Okay.
So hey guys, today is the D-Day. It's her day. She's Cici, my BFF. Well, I've made other friends as well. She's also a BFF. BFF to Charity, and this is the sister. She's Anne.
Hi.
This is Celia.
Hi.
And now Cici, Charity. So today is the D-Day, and this is how we're looking. As you can see, Celia is extra. Ooh, Cici, the bride. Ooh, yes. Sasa mnacheka nini? Hey, sinishaanza. So that's Cici. Oh, she's looking gorgeous. Yes, work it. Work it, girl. Yes. So that's the bride. Na imagine hajakunywa kitu. Imagine and she's this happy. We want a lively. We want it lively. Where Anne? Is how? So that's Anne's dress. All this was done by African Fabric Design. I think they did a pretty good job. So that's Charity, my sister, who has done our makeup.
That's the Moa.
Yeah, the Moa. Labelle.
We love you.
I'll insert her page. The Beauty Room Kenya. Yeah. Yeah, I'll put it in the description box below if you want to book her for any of your events.
Okay.
So yeah. That's it. Oh, and this is not the only dress she's going to wear. She has another one which is more extra than this. I will show you all that.
Thank you very much.
So enjoy. When I go outside, I'm gonna vlog again. See ya. So this is my dress. And I'm gonna wear it with sandals because I'm pretty tall. I'm tall, but this is dress.
I'm trying to feel the height you do there.
What do you think height?
Your favorite word is tall.
Tall.
I'm tall. I'm tall.
That's definitely your favorite
So
word.
yeah, I'll see you later.
Hapo inakaa poa. Hebu enda hapo mkwe pamoja. Charity, enda hapo.
Nitaedit hizo zote zenye ziko na.
Mimi nilikuwa naona wangefanya kitu dramatic niliona. Nyinyi like mnapanga kufanya nini?
Guys, we are back. We is back. And let me tell you how snatched the bride looks. 1 minute. Let me turn the camera. Just look at her. Oh my gosh. Wow. Charity, turn. Way. Hey, that's how the bride looks. Gorgeous. Wow, it's perfect. It's perfect.
You should thank me and also my photography skills.
Oh,
Sindio?
Hapa nimekutoa mrefu.
Bottom up. See, you ndio roll.
Angles are everything.
hey. Sisi you look.
Wameniona huku nje akidhani ameniona.
Kuna kitu ameona. Hakuna kitu ameona. You look awesome. Wow. Hey guys, so welcome back. Today is on a Monday. Yeah, it's on a Monday. Saturday was when we had the event, which was amazing. When I tell you, it was lit. It was lit. Yeah, it was perfection. And yeah, we also went for an after party, which was in Lavington. Yes, I don't remember the name of the place. I've never been there before, so it was my first time. Again, I do not club. Maybe once in a blue moon. I do not club, so I didn't manage to go to church yesterday, which is bad, but okay. I prayed in my heart. And yeah, so today is a new week, a beautiful week, but cloudy, rainy, all that. So yeah, I just got back home maybe an hour ago, or 45 to an hour ago, and right now I'm in the kitchen cooking. I'm preparing broccoli with carrots and garlic and goat meat. And yeah, let me just turn the camera so you can see. So this is the broccoli with the carrots, and this is ginger and garlic. This is meat, was frozen, and then I have some tomatoes, and I have onions and green bell pepper. So that's what I want to prepare, and we are going to eat with some rice. But also, oopsie, the nanny had made some beans for the kids, so I'm making this. I'm making for hubby because I know he wouldn't eat that, so that's why I'm preparing this. So yeah, let me show you after I've prepared all that, because it's really quick. I'm gonna start with the garlic, some oil and garlic, and then this, and then this, and then no, after the onions I'm gonna put the meat, and then tomatoes, and then this lastly. Yeah, so it's gonna be quick. And this, I need to remove this right now, and then I'll show you how it looks. I just drained it. Yeah, this, that is what I was boiling. And then back to my sufuria, and then this is the oil jar I got from my farm. Hasn't broken just yet, which is amazing. this is it. I'm not gonna eat. And then the rice, me, I'm okay. And then I have this purchase that I purchased today. It's a water bottle, and honestly it looks so good, even better than I was expecting. This is it. It has the measurements right here. It's black, matte black in color, and then a golden lid. I've been dying to get this bottle, and then I finally got it for, I paid 1100 for everything. Oh my gosh, the quality is so beautiful. I love it. It's matte black with timings, and then a gold lid. Oh, this is a must-have for everyone. I have been losing my water bottles for the longest, you guys. So when I saw this and it was on offer, 200 bob off, which was 11.50. Usually goes for 12. I'm there about. So I got this, and it's pretty. It's cute. I love it. They say it's it's good for water. So yeah, I'm happy I got this, and I will leave the page I got from because they were really fast and efficient. So yeah, I'll leave their page from Instagram right here and in the description box. If you are interested, you can get from them. And no, it's not sponsored. So yeah. So other than that, guys, I'm gonna leave you. I need to go shower and then go to bed or edit a video that I'm supposed to put out tomorrow. Yes, last week I've had so much on my plate, so I didn't manage to upload any video. I'm so sorry about that, but I guess it's okay. We are not supposed to be in a rush. It's just because, yeah, you know, our convenience also matters a lot. So I'm sorry about that, but I will try and be more consistent. Next time I will try at least to have a video every week, if not two. Of late I've been uploading a video every week. Been a bit lazy, but it's okay, right? It's okay. I'm not going to stress so much on that. So guys, I'll catch you later. Bye bye. Good night.